After 10 months of nonstop rumors and speculation, we might finally have the first real look at the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. We're talking official-looking renders leaked by the legendary Evan Blass, giving us a blueprint of Samsung's next superwatch just days before the Unpacked event. Is this the ultimate wearable, or just a minor refresh? Let's dive in. Samsung hasn't officially opened the doors yet, but these leaked renders tell us everything we need to know. Today, we're breaking down the design tweaks, the massive internal upgrades, the expected price, and, most importantly, the launch date for the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. If you're a Galaxy fan, you'll want to stay tuned for the spec sheet. It's a game changer. At first glance, it looks identical to the original Ultra. The same 47mm cushion-shaped titanium case. The same premium sapphire crystal screen. But look closer. That bezel? It's been refined. We've got new printed bezel markers and slightly thinner display bezels. And the buttons, Samsung has ditched the distinct ring around the center button for a cleaner, solid orange accent on the button itself. It's subtle, but it's more tactical. Plus, it's still rocking that 10 ATM water resistance and the Yin 13319 diving certification. It's built like a tank, just with a sharper suit. The real story isn't the glass. It's what's under the hood. Samsung is finally dropping its in-house Exynos chips for the Qualcomm Snapdragon Wear Elite. This isn't just a spec bump. It's a move towards serious power efficiency. Paired with 2 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage, this thing is built to fly. And the battery? The original had 590 mAh. The Ultra 2 is rumored to pack a massive 800 mAh cell. That's a 35% jump. Combined with the new Wear OS 7 and One UI 9 watch, we are finally talking about multi-day battery life for a high-performance Android watch. What's new for the users? 3 things. Brightness. We're looking at a staggering 5,000 nits peak brightness. Whether you're on a mountain peak or at high noon in the city, you'll never squint at your screen again. Connectivity. With Bluetooth 6.0 and 5G RedCap support, your watch is more connected and efficient than ever. Health AI. With a new Wear Elite chip, the Samsung Health app is getting a massive upgrade in how it processes your cardio load and daily energy scores. It's like having a personal coach on your wrist. Mark your calendars. July 22nd is the day. We're expecting the launch at Unpacked alongside the Fold 8 and Flip 8. Pricing? Leaks point to a €749/$857 mark for the LTE model. It's not cheap, but for a top-tier rugged smartwatch, it's positioned as a premium competitor. Is this an Apple Watch Ultra killer? It's getting closer. The design is familiar, but the efficiency gains from a new Qualcomm chip and that massive battery are exactly what this line needed. If you own the original Ultra, the battery upgrade alone might justify the jump. If you've been waiting for the right Android superwatch, your patience is about to pay off. So what do you think? Does the square meet circle design hold up, or were you hoping for a total overhaul? Drop a comment below. I'll be reading them. If you want the latest from Unpacked as it happens, hit that like button and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.